Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. So today we are going to discuss all about our new batch for the pharma wholesale business management. So basically, if you want to build your business in the pharma wholesale, the medicine wholesale, whether it is a surgical, whether it is a generic, or even FMCG products, or Ayurvedic, or homeopathic, or even in standard medicines as well, you can able to do this business. And how you can do, we will teach you on our workshop from the basic itself, from the scratch itself. I'm having experience in more than 10 plus year in the wholesale business, so I will teach you everything related to this business in this workshop. So let us get started. In this video I'm going to told you everything, how this workshop will be conducted, the fees behind this, the syllabus behind this, how you can enroll. Let's get begin. So first of all, I will told you the schedule of this workshop. So this workshop will start from the 10 June 2026. The timing will be evening 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So it will be conducted on evening, and even it's only conducted on weekdays. Okay. So now I'm going to told you what kind of the syllabus is covered in this workshop. So first is basics of the pharma wholesale. So where we will teach you how the pharma wholesale business is actually looks like, and the mindset behind this, the opportunities behind this, and even challenges behind this. So basically at entry level, how the pharma wholesale business looks like and what is the reality and how you can prepare. So this is the first session. The second one, we will able to tell you the pharma wholesale, different types of the pharma wholesale and its business requirement. As I say earlier in this video, there are a lot of wholesale you can able to do. So that kind of the wholesale and how you can start the individual wholesale, I will able to told you in this. Then the next is all about the licensing and approval. In licensing, there are a lot of documentation required from the government. Okay, so we will able to teach you here in the licensing and approval. Then in the next, we will told you company and brand selection, which is very important part. How, which company you have to select, which brand you have to select, and how much quantity you can able to purchase. This is very important task we are able to teach you in this. Then the next is all about the profit and expiry management, because the profit is, of course, everyone do the business for the profit, but how you can gain this profit, because you have to do the cash discount, you have to do the even credit in the market, but still you can earn the profit. Yes, you can earn the profit. How you can earn, we will able to told you. And even the expiry management is again very important. Here we also told you the manpower management, how many people you needed, and how much salary you have to give to them. Everything we will cover in this session. Then customer relationship management means, one is hospital, second is retail store. How you can manage, because already there are a lot of competition, there are a lot of people doing this business, but still you will be successful in this business. We will teach you everything, how you can communicate, how you generate the order, how you continuously get the order from the same customer, and how you can grow the business same, like we will teach you. Then the next one, sales territory management and software analysis, means in which area you have to start and how you can grow. Then software means which software we have to use in this, so that you can properly select the software, and accordingly you can understand the software analysis, and you can start your business. Then second last topic is inventory and cash flow, means how much investment is needed, and what and how you can invest in the step by step, how it can be invested. Okay, from where, what are the resources you will get, even government benefits are also there, and even the cash flow management. Then the last session is all about the future opportunities after wholesale, how you can do this, how you can grow your business, what are the opportunities after this, we will teach you here. So this workshop is ideal for all the people who already completed pharmacy education and want to do the wholesale business. Then the people who already do the retail and want to switch to the wholesale as well, then that is also the ideal people for this. Then if you want to learn the pharma wholesale business, medicine business, this course is ideal. And last, if you are a non-pharmacy people but still want to do the pharma wholesale business and have a investment and want to start it, now you want the guidance, this workshop is ideal for you. So this is all about the workshop. Now I'm telling you the benefits of this workshop. The first benefit is certification. We will provide the certification of participation in this workshop. After that, we will provide you all the information from the basic itself, very basic. Even this workshop is in two languages, Hindi and English. Okay, so if you are a English viewer, this workshop is for you. We also told you in Hindi as well, so both language will be used. Then the recording sessions also provided and study material also provided. Then the last one is we provided the medicine list. Basically a medicine list which is very important while you start your business, which companies are there, how which products we have to brought, from where you have to brought, how much investment. We will tell you the exact list of the medicines. So how you can enroll for this? The fees for this workshop is 2100. And how you can enroll? You can, it is very easy. Description I'm providing you the resume link, just click over there, or you can pay online to this number 9423272876. Once you pay, you just have to share your details like your name, email, qualification, your location, WhatsApp number to our number. Then we will share you the like email confirmation, and we will add you in the class group, and there the class will start. So if you have any query, any doubt, just fill the Google form which is given in the description, or you can call to this number. This is our student coordinator for this batch, so they will teach you, they will guide you according to your queries. We are happy to help you always. So that's it from this video, and I hope you completely understood our workshop information. Still you have any query, any doubt, just fill the Google form. We will get in touch with you, or call to the number of the student coordinator. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. I wish you all the best.